I know what we're doing is performing. I have a friend who just says you have to embrace the fact that you're in show business. But for me, it doesn't feel like that. For me, it feels as if we've written some songs, we've got together, we've learned how to sing them, and then we're just going and singing them to people. So I don't feel it is performing, but of course it is.
We met a couple of times before we were in the studio to make the music. The connection between us, I think, has worked out to be really good. I grew up singing a lot. Singing was never performing or showing off, or you just sang in groups, because nobody was supposed to be heard more than anybody else or anything. But a close friend of my parents said in the middle of that group singing, he was like, "You have a really nice voice, Nina." And that really, it was also so weird to be singled out, that one voice, could be commented more than somebody else's. But that really meant something to me. I was like, I do? Really?